Good morning, you guys. I am about to hop in the shower, but I wanted to show you guys what products I'm going to be using in my hair. This is the first time I'm using these, and I really hope that I love it. So for shampoo, I am going to be using this one by Color Wow. I believe it's new. It's the Color Security Shampoo. It says it's the ultimate dream clean sulfate-free shampoo. So this is for color treated hair. It's supposed to get you like that really super squeaky clean shampoo without ruining the color, without damaging anything. So I don't know, I'm curious to try this because there's another product that I'm obsessed with by Color Wow that I will show you guys a little bit later in the vlog when I use it. And then for conditioner, I'm not going to be using conditioners. Instead, I'm going to be using this hair mask every week. This is the GISOU honey infused hair mask. I purchased it through the Sephora VIB sale. It's a pretty large jar and the reviews were amazing for this. So this is my little shower combo right now. All right, I am out of the shower now and I ended up letting my hair air dry quite a lot because I got distracted on TikTok, and now my hair is really pretty dry, which I'm not mad. I mean, it's still damp, like the ends are really damp and like the inside of the hair is really damp, but for the most part it is a bit dry. So I'm going to show you guys what I use out of the shower. The first product I use, and I've been using this for a while now, this is by Bumble and Bumble. It's the Invisible Oil Heat Protective Primer. So it works as a heat protector, it primes your hair before styling, and it's also good for detangling your hair. So I just spray it all over. And then I brush through. And by the way, this is my favorite hairbrush. It's by Web Brush. They make the best brushes. I repurchase them over and over again, and they're super inexpensive. I also love this product by Color Wow. Some of you may have already seen me mention this in the past, but it makes your hair so beautiful when you style it at home. This is the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It says it magically transforms texture and it's amazing humidity proof product. So I'm gonna spray this all over. I haven't used it in a month actually, just because I kind of wanted to give my hair a break from it just so that I could reintroduce it again, because I feel like your hair gets used to certain products. But I'm so excited to use it now again with this new hair color. So you just want to spray it all over and then brush it through your hair. And then the last product I'm going to be applying is the GISOU hair oil. This I have never used before. It's one of my new purchases. It's a honey infused hair oil. When I see Megan use it, Megan is the founder of GISOU. She applies it when her hair is already dried and styled. My hair is really fine. I'm a little nervous with oil, so I'm gonna put it on while my hair is damp. I mean, you can use it either way. You can use it both ways for dry hair or wet damp hair, but I'm going to use it while my hair is a little damp. Put the tiniest dot, like literally such a tiny amount, warm it up in my hands, and then just kind of apply it towards the ends, because you know how like the ends can get split and dried out, especially when you lighten your hair. I noticed the last time I went light, my hair was getting really dry. So I want to make sure I prevent any breakage. By the way, I used the Color Wow shampoo and the GISOU hair mask in the shower. I'm doing another small little dot for the other half of my hair. And I loved it. So the shampoo, at first, it feels like it doesn't really lather up. So you feel like, oh God, is it actually working? Like, I don't know why mentally I need my shampoos to lather up, but it really does work. I did 2 shampoos and my hair definitely felt squeaky clean, and the shampoo also smelled really good. So I'm definitely gonna keep using that. And then the GISOU hair mask, I used it instead of a conditioner and it left my hair silky soft. Like I could still feel like the softness in my hair, and it smells amazing. Like all the GISOU products smell, they have this distinct scent, and they smell just really amazing. You know what, it is raining a lot today and it's gonna be raining a lot tomorrow, so I'm hoping these products will keep my hair smooth and frizz free. Oh, and the hair mask in the shower, I left it on like while I was showering, and I left it on for a few minutes and then rinsed it out.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it off.
Alright, so I just finished blow drying my hair. I love how it came out. I want to share with you guys this little trick for those of you whose scalp gets super oily like mine does. I like to put dry shampoo powder before it even gets oily. So when it's freshly washed, I will apply some dry shampoo. I like to use this powder. This is by Bumble and Bumble because it's also a volumizing powder. So it kind of like, you will see your hair start to lift when you apply this, which is really cool. You just want to make sure like really massage it in because it does have like a little bit of a white residue, but once you massage it in, you are fine. So I just like to get this in all the spots where I know my hair will get oily. Let's get this side too. I did purchase the GISOU curling wand. I have not used it yet. I'm gonna use it with you guys for the very first time. So we're gonna power this up and start curling our hair. So your GISOU curling wand comes in this cute little carrying case. I mean, it's actually not really a carrying case because I don't know, mine doesn't want to close up again, but it is cute to keep it in here. You get the silicone pad, which is made to fit your curling wand. If I could just get it out. It's made to fit your curling wand exactly. So I'm gonna set this up so that we can start heating this baby up. Oh, it has an on and off switch. I like that. I hate when you have to rely only on the buttons here because every time I'm curling my hair, I'll like shut it off by mistake. Ooh, oh my God, it heats up. Like in 5 seconds, it's already super hot. It's going all the way up. Look how cute that little monitor is. I don't know why, but that little monitor is so cute, and I love how it says the brand name in there. That is really pretty. I don't know how hot I want it to get. Let's see how far up it goes. Maybe it goes up to 4 or something. I don't think I need it that hot. Whatever, we're just gonna leave it. I'll have it. Oh, it beeps when it's ready. Okay. All right, so it goes up to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh no, it goes up higher. It goes up to 450. I should probably read the directions, but I don't have time to read directions today. I have to go. I'm actually going on a little staycation, and I was supposed to leave at 11 a.m. and it's 11:20 now, but I want to finish filming this video, so priorities. That is why I have clothes and everything back there, because I still have to pack everything for my little trip. I'm just going somewhere literally here in Jersey. Do you guys want me to vlog it? Should I vlog it? Maybe I will. I don't know. I'll think about it. Also, I forgot to show you guys, after the shower, whenever I wash my hair, I use this little Turby Twist towel. I get them at Harmon's. I think Bed Bath & Beyond also carries them. And I forgot what the material is made out of. It's like a microfiber that's supposed to like quick dry your hair. So I leave my hair wrapped in here after the shower, and it is amazing. I repurchase those all the time. All right, we are going to apply our heat protectant. I'm using Dry Bar Hot Toddy. I love this one when my hair is dry because it's like a dry mist. It's not gonna wet my hair. So let's just, especially when I get those front pieces. I feel so weird when I don't have earrings on and I'm filming, but I'm just used to not wearing earrings until I'm completely done with my hair and makeup. Look at how cute these little hoops are, you guys. Can you guys see them? Okay, I'll show you this one. They are my favorite little everyday hoops because they're super lightweight
and they're just really pretty. I've been wearing them for months now. I was going to launch them on Sunday Energy. Sunday Energy is my jewelry line, by the way, for those of you who don't know. I was gonna launch these like in January, but I think I want to launch them this week. I've been going back and forth, and I think I want to launch them this week because I've been wearing them so much that I'm so like obsessed with them. I want you guys to wear them already too. So what I'm gonna do is curl my hair, and I'm gonna go in opposite directions. So one piece I'll curl back, another piece I'll curl forward. So this one I'm going to curl away from my face. So I'm just literally gonna wrap the hair away from my face. I wish this curling wand was longer because this hair is very long, and I wish the curling wand was a little bit longer. This is a very tight curl. I don't think I need to leave the hair on the wand that long. This side I'm going to curl the hair towards my face. So I'm literally just going to alternate each piece. And then I want to leave the very ends out because I want my ends to be kind of straightish. That's how the stylist did my hair last week, and I loved how it came out. Because you get the curls and the waves, but you still get the length. And that way you don't mess up the ends of your hair either. Just gonna leave these alone so that they can set and cool on their own. And I'm literally just going to be repeating the same steps. This one I'm gonna curl forward. Love that straight end. And this one I'm going to curl away from my hair. And something that I really like that I noticed is that the temperature locks where you set it. So because if you think about it, when you're curling your hair, you touch the buttons by mistake. And a lot of times with other wands, when I touch the button, it adjusts the heat, or I turn it off by mistake. And that is so annoying, especially when you're in a rush and you're just trying to get your hair done. So I really love that the temperature locks in with this curling wand, and it's curling the hair so freaking quickly, you guys. I'm loving this. I'm not mad that the curls are a bit tight. I mean, we are gonna brush them out, but I'm not mad that they're tight because, like I said, I'm going away for like 2 days. And this way, I don't really have to style my hair because tomorrow it'll just look like, wow, that plane is super loud. My windows are open, my bad. Like I was saying, while the hair falls, like tomorrow it'll just look like I have like a soft wave probably, which is great because I get a different look every day. See what the hair is looking like so far. Super tight curls. The heat that I have it on right now is 450. I really don't think I need to have the heat that high, but I feel like I'm already almost done, so I just want the curls to be consistent. But next time I think I'll do it at like 350, and I'm leaving the hair on the wand for like 5 seconds. It curls that quickly because it's just super hot right now. But all right, this is how my hair looks. Oh my god, like low-key it's a little pretty, but this is like a cute hairstyle for like a little girl, but the curls are perfect. I'm gonna wait for that car to leave. I'm actually gonna let the curls set and cool off for like 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna go pack up my stuff and then I will be back. All right, I'm back. My hair has cooled off and this hair looks so pretty actually, but we're gonna brush it out a little. So what I like to do is use my fingers to kind of break up the hair, and look how it instantly just loosens everything up. And let me just stand up to show you guys. See, this is why I like to leave the ends straight, because one, it's better for your ends, you're not applying too much heat, and then you still keep your length. Look how pretty the hair still has that curl definition. I feel like with other wands, once I start doing this process, they kind of start falling flat right away. This wand has really impressed me. Next time we'll do it, ooh, my lash. Next time we'll do it on a lower setting. I really love how this came out. Now we're gonna do it to this side. And I kind of like to start at the ends and then just work my way up. I really love the two pieces to not be, the two front ones to not be as curled. Oh, that looks so pretty. I kind of like to go like this to the back so that kind of starts blending in all together. This hair came out so freaking pretty. I love this whole combination of everything that I used. This is a product that I've been using forever and ever. It works especially beautiful on dark hair because dark hair can tend to look a little dull, and then this is what I always use to add a ton of shine. I'm actually almost done with this. I can feel it. So this is just an invisible oil shine spray. It's by Bumble and Bumble. Then, oh, this is also by Bumble and Bumble. I love their hair products, obviously. This is their dry spun texture spray. I like to use this to add a little texture, and it kind of works as a hairspray. It definitely keeps everything in place. Just be careful how much you use of this. I like to use it at the root to give me a little bit of volume, so we're just gonna put it up there. It smells really good too. And use it around here. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I'm so impressed with everything that I used and the GISOU curling wand. Oh, actually, one last thing. The GISOU hairspray. This is the honey infused hair perfume. It smells really good. I shared it in a vlog when I was first trying it. It smells amazing. I don't feel like it lasts that long, but it does smell really good. And I prefer this scent as opposed to all the other hair products that I put in. And I'm just gonna spray this in because we want the full GISOU hair experience. That smells so amazing. You know what? I'm packing this on my trip. I wasn't gonna pack it. I was trying to pack minimally, but I'm packing this. All right, you guys, now we're finally done. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to list everything I mentioned in the bottom bar, so make sure you guys check that out. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.